Any guesses? Anyone? Yeah. कौन हो सकता है यहाँ पे? Okay, the surprise is over. So jury choice, best actor female, goes to, and my honor to announce this, Sharmila Tagore, Gulmohar.
Lovely. Sharmila Tagore takes home the jury award, the News 18 Shosha Reel Award for Best Actor Female for Gulmohar.
Thank you, News 18, for organizing this wonderful evening. And thank you, all you jury members, for choosing me. And I hope it was unanimous, because obviously everybody talked about a lot of discussion and a lot of difference of opinion. But I hope all of you agreed on. There was no other choice at all. Yes. And I am very happy that I've personally interacted with Mr. Prashun Joshi, because we did this Dhoom Macha De, you remember, and we actually did.
Yes.
It was so much fun, right? And with, oh, there you are. It wasn't complete without you. And we can't actually say but I had a Hindi dictionary under the table, and Prashun was always telling me in my ears, you can say this, you can say that,
yes,
right? Yes, and that lovely poem that you had, that Moti ki, which sort of bikhar gayi, whatever, you know better, Hasiko, that was so lovely. And Meenakshi I've worked with, right? When you and Madhuri sort of danced and sang, and Shashi and I sort of swung in the swing and enjoyed what you guys were doing. It was what lovely moments we've had. So thank you very much for Gulmohar, and there's Rahul Chitela, who gave me the opportunity to work. And I owe him so much. And we had no idea when we started that we'll make such a wonderful film. And 1 year on, people still remember it. And all my co-stars, beginning with, of course, Amol Palekar, then Manoj Bajpayee, Simran, and Suraj, Kaveri, Utsavi, and of course, Chandan Roy. I think he's my favorite. Param, I don't know, all of you, some of you must have seen Gulmohar. And Param's character is just so good. He's a philosopher, right? So thank you very much. I think I'm talking too much. And thank you. You're looking gorgeous, Neha.
Sharmila ji, you are looking gorgeous as usual.
I was going to wear a red sari, and thank God I didn't, because it would have been too much of a, you know what I mean?
There's no clash. You are you.
It's only about 1.5 feet. Thank you. Thank you.
You inspire all of us here winning this award today. Thank you for being here.
We're not going to let you go. Firstly, congratulations. You were so good in Gulmohar. Everybody knows that. Everybody agrees with me, as you are in everything you do. But I just want to ask you a personal question. May I? Do I have your permission?
A personal question?
Yes.
Depends how personal.
No, I mean only about the public figures in the house. So it's as personal as that. So you've got Saif, Kareena, Soha, Kunal, Sarah, and now Ibrahim's making his debut. Now, do any of these kids of yours, do they ever come to you for advice, saying now what should we do, or what's the process?
No, I think I'm considered as blast from the past. So I mean, while they love me very much, but I don't think my advice counts. It was like...
Are we buying that? No, right?
But that's what the kids think, right?
No, but I mean, I will take advice from you, for sure.
Okay, that was your personal question?
Yes, personal public question, yeah.
Okay, I'll hand over the mic to you.
Thank you very much, Sharmila. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No.
Congratulations on winning the award for Best Actor for Gulmohar.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And thank you so much for joining us today. Ma'am, Gulmohar was touted as your big comeback film. And, with the kind of appreciation that has come your way, the kind of character portrayal of a queer woman. Do you think with all the love that came your way, now an award, it has sort of given you the confidence to restart your career in an all new way?
Well, I don't quite look at it from a comeback or a restart or anything. But as a role, as Gulmohar, Kusum in Gulmohar, I think was a wonderful experience. Thank you, Rahul Chitela, because it was his thought. And then working with this wonderful cast, Manoj Bajpai, Amol Palekar, Simran, Utsavi, Kaveri, Suraj, and Chandan Roy, who was Param in the... And 1 year on, there's so much recall of the film and so much appreciation. So it has worked across generation, across everything, crossed all boundaries. So I think it's a very special film indeed. It's a collaborative effort. It's not just mine, but even the queer aspect of it. Everybody's really liked it, my wink at the end. So there has been, I think the OTT platform had normalized this much more than the films had. So I think we had that advantage. But everything has worked very well, and I'm absolutely thrilled about this award because the juries are so, they've really worked hard and they're very eminent people and they have good judgment from Prasun Joshi to Meenakshi, Sheshadri and others, Balki. So they have thought about this and given this award. So coming from them, I think it's a great honor.
And before we let you go, while the world has showered and continues to shower a lot of love on you, how much do you think love from your family members, some of whom are actors, what does that mean to you?
Well, I think that's great because they all appreciate now today's filmmaking is so much easier and there's so much comfort there. In our time, we didn't have the money or the comfort. So they appreciate what we have done. They love our old films, the songs, which no longer exist now. So yes, there is mutual admiration and mutual appreciation. And, it's wonderful we belong to the same profession and we know today's challenges and it helps me to stay young talking to them, yes.
Great on that note. Thank you so much. Looking forward to what you do next.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.